Guys, if you're tired of uploading videos that get views, but those views don't convert to subscribers, and you have been on YouTube for a while, but getting subscribers have been very difficult for you, this video is going to help you. YouTube has quietly released a new feature that nobody is talking about. Some know about it, but they're ignoring it, and some others don't even know about it. I recently came across a video where I got to learn about this feature. And yes, as someone who likes to carry a community along, I am sharing this information with you. If your own concern is getting subscribers and views, then this video is definitely going to help you. It can even help you get monetized. If I told you your subscribers will not come from another long form content where you have to sit down and create like I'm doing now, you can just post a short form content that you did not create, like you did not sit down to do anything to create it, but that video is going to give you massive views and subscribers. Will you want to try that particular thing out? I am willing to show you. I'll take you by the hand in this video and show you step by step on how to get this done. And you know the good thing about this thing, you can actually even get monetized through this particular feature. If you're wondering what it is, let's just get right into the video. You'll be amazed that this actually exists on YouTube now. Okay, so to get this done, we're going to head over to our YouTube app, right? Because we're going to be using the YouTube app for this. So open the app, open it to the one you want to use, the very channel you want to use. I'll be using this particular channel where you're watching it from. So you're going to head over to where you have shorts, right? Okay, Gabby, don't click on shorts and go to the search bar and type in trending shorts. It's going to open up like this. You're going to scroll through and look for shorts that are recent, that are very recent. 1 year, few weeks, few months, look for the ones that are trending. But also pay attention for what we're looking for, right? It's not contained in every shot. Let me click this very first one that's from 3 years ago. Let's see if you have. Okay, so here I'm here now. I'm going to click on. See, there are so many features. There are so many features that you can actually try out. On the screen, you can actually see this pink icon here that has an emoji of someone and then plus. You say add me to this scene. If you use this one, if you decide to use this one, you're going to be added to the scene and you can post this position. But this is not what we're doing today. We're using to that feature. So you're going to see where you have this arrow, this double arrow with the plus sign. It has 17K written on it, just above where you have the sound. Click on that icon, right? It's going to bring you here. Now, the moment you see this in any of the videos, just know that you're going to be able to use that particular video for what you want to do. Here, say show speed bubbles of what this no just click on it anyways. Click on it. Right, click on it. We're going to be changing the command I want to give. We're going to be changing the command. So this one say add me ensuring good dust everywhere. Right, add me alongside the ensuring handfuls of sharing good dust that sparkles on really. Alright, so I have picked the one I want to use. I can go ahead and type my own prompts, right? This is more like giving the AI a command. I can go on to type my own prompts, but I'm not typing it because I already picked one that I'm going to use. If you scroll this way, you see transform to a shimmy flora, right? The different things that you can just pick from. Now I'm going to click add image, right? This is how I get to come into this. I'm going to click on add image and I'm going to just look for an image that I can use. Now it has uploaded here. I'll just click on the send. When it sends, it's going to count down. Why this is counting down? If you are new on this channel and you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. It will do you so much good to hit the subscribe button because here we get to teach you how to grow on YouTube, things that you can do to get monetized fast, things that you can do to, do YouTube the right way. You do not want to struggle. You do not have to struggle on YouTube. I have experienced it and I'm sharing from my own experience. Alright, so this is still uploading, this is still processing. Let us give it some time to finish processing. Okay, so now it's done processing. This is what it's going to process. As you can see, this is purely AI, right? This is purely AI. The idea here is for you to create an AI video, and from the look of things, videos like this are beginning to trend a lot. They are beginning to really trend on the internet. What you want to do next is to go ahead and add a write-up to it, just to explain, um, briefly explain the video. Wow, how did she do this? Okay, remember that the reason why you're doing this is just for you to get subscribers. When you've gotten the amount of subscribers that you want, right? There's no need to continue with it. Unless you want to use shorts to get monetized, which is very feasible. If you want to use shorts to get monetized, you need 10 million short views in 90 days. Yes, 10 million short views in 90 days for you to be able to use it to get monetized, proper monetization, because there's the first step where you can use 500 subscribers and 3 million short views in 90 days. But for the one where advertisers begin to pay you for your videos, the complete YouTube monetization, you need 10 million short views. So I'm going to click on next. I'm going to click on this, and then it's going to bring me here. Right here, where I have the pencil icon, I can go ahead and choose a thumbnail. Right, I'll just allow this to load. I'll choose a thumbnail that will, I'll choose a thumbnail that's going to be maybe eye catchy. Let's see. Let me see if I can leave it here. I'll just leave it here. Right. So I'll leave this here, and I'm going to put my title. My title is going to be um, how did how did she do this? I'll put in hashtag shorts. It's very important to use this hashtag. Sorry, it's very important that you use this particular hashtag. Like I said, the idea of this is for you to get subscribers. The moment you hit your 1,000 subscribers, I'll be actually advised that you just stop, or better still, remove them from your channel, because they'll keep giving you subscribers that might likely not be interested in your in watching your main content. So just doing this because we want to use them. We want to use this to get subscribers, right? To meet the criteria for monetization. Okay, so for my AI content, remember I use AI for this, so I'm going to say yes. It's very important that you also say yes. When you say AI use, please pick yes. When you've done that, why I have paid promotions, I will say no, because I'm not promoting any particular product or content. So you can go ahead and add the description. Um, I like I like this transformation. I like this transformation. Okay, so what else? Uh, you can put in any other important information that you think should go here when you are done, right? Okay, here I have related videos. If you can see, I picked one video and just added it, and I picked my most recent. The reason why I picked this one is so that I can people will get to click on this video to watch it. There's chance that when they see that related video, they can click on it and also watch, right? So this done, I'm just going to go ahead and say upload shorts, and this is it. Now, for this to actually work for you, it is said it is said that you have to post at least 5, 6, 7, 8 to 10 videos per day, for this to actually work for you, because the more shots you have, the wider reach you get. Me, I'm not doing this for the sake of getting subscribers. As you can see, I only need 45 at the moment to get my own subscribers. I'm just doing this for the purpose of showing you all how this thing works, right? Remember, for this to really give you good results, you will need to do it a couple of times per day. Some creators will tell you do it 3 to 4, 6, 10 times per day. I don't know if you can meet up with that, but if you can't, at least 2 to 3 times per day, you can just put out the shows. And like I said, if your intention is not to use shorts to get monetized, like you're not looking for 10 million views in 90 days, you can just go ahead and just do it for you to get subscribers. And when you're done, just stop, right, and move on with your content. Continue posting your content so that you don't get so you don't confuse YouTube algorithm, right? So this is it. It is very easy to try.
Don't sit back on these new features.
If you watch to this point, I'm certain that you got value. Please don't forget to leave a like on this video. Leave a comment. You can ask me anything and I'm going to be answering you. And also, go ahead and subscribe to my own channel. For now, bye.